So people keep on asking, what do we do with the mama and babies? So this is what we do. We take them out of an urban area where there's lots of houses, residential area, and we relocate them in the woods. This is the box we put them in. Once the babies and mama feel safe, mama will eventually take the babies out. We make sure we put food so that way she has something to eat. So this is the whole process. So mama and babies are in here. I already gave mama some food, so she's already eating some of her food. Hey mama. So we've got lots of woods out here for her to find a place to relocate. So no harm, no foul. No babies or mama were harmed in this video. So boxes are set up. Mama's in there.